Well, good morning, good morning, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Steve. Um,
That's me. That's me.
uh, Wednesday, November 5th. Excited to be trading today.
We got
Huge
news,
movement.
news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock.
We had a huge movement through the overnight last night, but we came right back to the close a little while ago for this pre-market. So I'm
It's
excited
laundry
to
day.
see
It's
what type of movement we get today.
it is laundry day. Came back to the close.
It came back. I want to see if we potentially roll back down from here for today, but we're going to see. We broke that 26,000, which we've been talking about yesterday, and sure enough, we finally broke it. And now that we came down almost from that 26,000, close to 500 points down currently right now. Let's see what we get today. We do have news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock. So be careful in the markets at those times if you're trading at that time. And yeah, I'm ready to make some money today. My strategy for the Grand Cup for Tradeify is working so far. I've been putting about $1,000 a day in it, but when I hit the 1,000, I call it quits because I'm beating people because most traders aren't consistent. They don't lock in their profits. So by me just setting $1,000 for the Grand Cup a day, I get that amount and I walk away. I keep dropping down in the rankings, or going up in the rankings because other people are blowing their accounts and they're not consistently locking the profits. Because when I put another 1,000 today, I should drop into the 100. Out of the 1,000, I'm like, what is my rank actually? Let's see. Current rank is 1,223 out of like
Nice.
8,000 people.
Did I tell you that I texted you twice to let you know, or messaged you to let you know I'm still alive? Did you see that?
You're still live?
Yeah. You're not answering my things, but it's all right.
Still live. I was on my computer yesterday.
Look, I'm just trying to have fun with you, but you're so serious right now.
Oh, I am not serious. I don't want to hear that, sir. I'm alive. I see that.
I live. I am alive.
Hey, and today we're going to thrive for today. So I'm excited for that. Yeah, I'm also going to be playing around today in one of my evals. I'm trying to see how the copy trading works with Tradeivate because I've used it before and it's really, really clean. Cleaner than the copy trader I have on the Ninja. So today I'll probably be testing some stuff on that. Copy trading 2 growth accounts after 9:45 for that one probably.
We'll see about that.
Let me actually rotate. Let's see. Welcome to the YouTube stream. Welcome, Vitone, as well. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
There he is. Rock and roll. We're all here. We just need Moose.
Yeah, it's Wednesday. He should be getting on here in a little bit. Next week, G will be back with us.
I had to take Dad to boat yesterday.
Okay. How's he doing?
He's doing good, man. Thanks for asking. He's doing really well.
That's what I like to hear.
We're
We
coming
got
down,
5 more
baby.
minutes.
We're gonna touch that 45.
Yeah, I think we're gonna just roll back down here. Potentially, we got news at 9:45, so
And
anything
10
can
o'clock.
happen.
At 9:45 and 10. Did you see that right?
What was that?
9:45 and 10.
Yep.
Like you're wearing like long sleeves all of a sudden, like he's facing winter there. It's got to be a whole 59 degrees outside. There's children freezing in the streets. He's got the AC blowing.
The AC is blowing.
Duane, you said you're gonna copy trade 2 accounts?
I'm gonna try it out. I haven't used it in quite a while. On the Tradeovate, but Tradeovate has a built-in copy trader that you can use. Where with Ninja, you have to like use a third party, and it's not as good.
Got you.
There's more slippage on the Ninja than there is on the Tradeovate. Because if I'm not mistaken, when I go into a trade on this, it's going to give me a signal that I had to up my contracts because I'm trading technically 4 total contracts, but I have this only set to 2. So I want to test that. Let's do 3 more minutes. I may do a quick in and out here just to see if it works. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
There he is.
I downloaded Ninja Trader.
Yeah.
That's like Chinese to me. I'm not used to the way it
Yep. Cool.
it shows.
That's what I thought.
Maybe you can, if you, whenever you have time, you can just show me how to put those wrinkle bars up.
Yeah.
Well, here he's got like he'll send you the workspace, man, and you put it in, and then you put the new wrinkles, and you're gonna be happy as a clam.
Oh.
Yep. You'll just upload it.
Yeah. I downloaded the app already.
All right. 1 second.
Who the fuck is that? Let me see.
He's gonna need another screen, I tell you.
Oh my god, I know. Let me see, hold on. What is this thing called? Ninja Trader?
Ninja Trader 8.
Ninja Trader 8. Oh no, Trader 8, actually. That's what I.
Oh, you got Tradeovate. Okay.
Trader 8.
That's what I pulled up right now
Sorry.
on my screen.
Like Trader 8. What the heck? Yesterday I tested it. It said order filled. I'm like, oh. Oh. How do I
Yeah,
take
Tradeovate,
it
you gotta get used to it
off? Yeah.
because it is completely different than Ninja and TradingView.
Got 40 seconds till market open, gentlemen.
Let's get ready for the ride.
Yeah, we'll do this Trader 8 later.
Let's ride the lightning today. Let's ride the lightning.
There it is. What a great album, bro. The best thrash album of all time.
We open? Oh, we about to open.
Yeah, we're about to. Here comes market open in 5 seconds here. We got the close from yesterday at that 577 level. Last night, the market took an absolute dump for the overnight session.
We got 545 in there too.
It went all the way down 404 last night. Look at that big old wick. Look at that big old wick on that 2-minute candle.
Look at that 1 minute. It's like, that's crazy.
That's a massive wick right there. Seller stepped in hard. Let's see if we build out like a flag. I want to try taking a trade with this copy trader, but just waiting. Because when I take the trade, I want it to be a good trade.
Yeah, well, you know, I mean, that's kind of that was the first lesson that you taught me even before we broadcast. Was like, you take a trade, make it a good trade. And I said, you know what? Thank you for the fortune cookie, but could we actually have some wisdom that we don't understand?
Not the fortune cookie. That's crazy. I don't know why this won't lock.
So what are you working in the gym today?
Today I'm just gonna go cycling. Today's supposed to be leg day.
Okay, well that's good getting that movement.
Yep, because I don't want to overstress the knee.
How is your knee feeling doing that when you cycled yesterday? Is it doing all right?
Yeah, the knee's good. The knee's good, but still, I know cycling's what they actually use for rehab for knee injuries as well.
Oh, yeah. Tell me more about it. Can you explain a little bit about PT and post PT to me?
Well, I know what I had to do. Well, my knee injuries. So,
well, cycling is perfect because you can you're getting motion and then you can add resistance as well. So, and it's not load bearing. So, you know what I mean? There's a lot of great things about that.
Did you have surgery, Duane?
No. I did something that don't even know what I did. I think it was when I was playing basketball, jumping, grabbing the rim, all that good stuff. Came down, maybe twisted or something wrong, and it was ugly for a little bit. It was swollen, so I definitely tweaked it.
He told me he doesn't want to go to Mexico looking like that, like he's got some kind of weird growth on his knee.
No weird growth on the knee, but it was slightly painful to walk for a minute. It's gotten way better. Like, I feel normal now, but just want to do things that get it back.
You ever had your knee tapped?
Knee tap? What?
Yeah,
No. What's that?
They removed the fluid.
Oh no, I've never had that.
Oh yeah, I've had it done several times.
It's something he's got to look forward to.
Back in my playing days, I used to have to get my knee tapped.
Yeah,
They stick a long needle in there and suck out all the fluid.
Okay.
Dwayne's not as happy about that as you might think. Dwayne's like, okay.
All right, so I just copy traded that. Let me see.
Did you execute a 5-minute orb trade?
I did not. I was trying to test this copy trader.
Because I did a 5-minute orb trade there because the momentum was heavy.
Well, I want to see, how can I... get this off the screen real quick so I can figure this out. Nope, I just added the wrong thing. Okay.
That's the look of concentration on there. Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, look at that. Look, you can see the wheels turning. He's got plans.
Oh, they're turning. They're turning. Yeah, I don't get that. Because I know I just executed a trade on 2 accounts. I want to make sure. Well, I could do it this way, actually. Okay. There's some slippage. Yeah. See, I'm not trying to trade. I'm not trying to trade 4 contracts.
Why trade 4 when you can do 12?
Okay, now I should have it.
You need to do 12 contracts at a time through all the accounts.
That'd be crazy. That'd be crazy. Now it should be.
You didn't take any trade, Duane?
No, I did.
On that one.
I made like 580.
Nice. 4 contracts?
No. So I'm copy trading on Tradeovate. Yeah, I'm trying to get these settings dialed in.
No, I'm saying when you made 580.
It was a total of 4 contracts, two per account.
Oh, I get what you're saying. Okay. I don't know. You could set that up. I wonder if I could set that up here in TradingView too.
Yeah, I'm trying to do this now. Keep me out the markets. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Sure.
from taking stupid trades, like I normally do sometimes.
I mean, I like trading the volume. It gets you a little excited. It gets your palms sweaty. I think we're gonna go up according to the last hour candle. Then we're gonna have to touch the 4-hour EMA at 25,627. Man, look at that wick on the 1 hour. That's up there.
All right. I'll play around with the copy trade later.
It's not time to play, it's time to trade.
Oh, we're trading. We're trading. We got news in 5 minutes. News in 5 minutes, gentlemen.
we're gonna break out of the 15 minutes and go right into news.
If we break out, that's the whole thing. If we break out, because let's see where we're currently at. Yep, these were areas that we rejected during the overnight at 2 a.m. Well, no, that's 132, 120, and 410. We sold off this morning when we were up in this area.
What was what you said? 410. Where was with the 582? You said, right?
No, I was just at 118. The time at the time.
Okay.
Yeah, looking like a bear flag on the 5 minute as well. Want to see us lose that bottom wick on that 5. Just snagged 260 on that. Could have held, but wasn't sure if we were going to try pushing it up slightly there before we dropped. We got news in 3 minutes. News in 3 minutes. We got the VWAP below us. VWAP is currently sitting at, for me, at 478.
Yes, hang on. Yeah, 478 for me too.
Glad we're in sync. We'll take it.
I'll take it. Yes.
We're sitting right below that 21 EMA right there. Would want to get above that 21 to potentially look for a long. That's just
Noticias en un minuto.
That's just me. That's just me. Oh, less than 30 seconds now. 30 seconds for the news to come out. Glad I just checked the time.
Oh, I just said it in Spanish.
Well, we'll see if I'm not bilingual, so.
Look, I'm getting you ready. Yeah, I haven't spoke Spanish in a long time. I'm getting ready for Mexico.
Oh, I'm already ready for Mexico. I'm excited.
I'm giving you linguistic things you need.
All right. Here should be some news, or we should get something here. Didn't really move the market.
Starting to dance. And the music starts just at the same time, so it's building a little bit.
We're currently above this 21 EMA. Let's see if we build like maybe a potential bull flag.
Yeah, we're right there, man.
We got that close from yesterday, 577. 577. $15-minute range is completed.
The top of that 15-minute range is about 77, isn't it?
Yeah, 577. Getting ready to go up to that overnight high at the 596. 596 for the overnight high. I'm gonna wait till we tap that 596, maybe get through that 600 level.
Yeah, it's gonna be like punching through a lot.
Yep. All right, there's the 600 level right there. We did not pull back into that 15-minute range. Today may be a day where it just wants to run back up. Let's see if we get a bull flag.
$563 so far.
220 right there in this funded account.
Let's go. Yep, 30-minute retrace on the 30-minute. 1 hour up, 30 minutes. Let me see. All right. Yep. Yes, beautiful. Let's go. It hit the 4-hour EMA. Retracing now.
That's an update.
Wayne would like a flag.
I definitely want another flag.
Sorry, I just said your line. Is that out of turn?
I'm debating if I just rotate off this funded account, just put 220 in it. Just going for base hits. Want to get that payout for next week before Mexico.
Wick on that 1 hour. Shit.
For the people on YouTube, where you guys tuning in from? Is that UG? Are you just watching on YouTube so you don't have to talk to us?
Indonesia.
So we hit the first target that printed for me, which was at about 620. So we tapped that. The next target is all the way up there at 665. What if we retrace and go all the way back up to the 26,000? That'd be kind of crazy. We did have this bull flag print. I was going to say let's get another one, but this thing is just
Oh my god.
ripping.
Man. If this 4 hour closes above the EMA, we're gonna go up. Come on now. 9 minutes of push.
Want to kind of get a little pullback down to that 620 level. Use that first target as a support zone to keep us going higher.
Come on, baby. Let's go.
And Dwayne's gonna draw a line to make it find support at the 20 level.
He's gonna stop the market.
Yeah, that was yesterday. He's like, okay, I want a flag right here. It's like, okay, I'll fill in your parts, Big Daddy.
It's not intentional. It's not intentional.
Oh, it's at the EMA. Now, you're gonna make it or break it. Let's go. I'm gonna start putting my screens on my 65-inch TV.
Okay.
I can see them better.
My goodness, it's like he's in the command center of the Pentagon.
Yeah, this thing wants to run today.
You've never seen my setup?
Go long, people. It wants to run up.
You gotta take a picture, man.
I'm gonna put it up on the group chat. Oh man, I should have stayed in, yo. Look at this. It's home.
Wait for somewhat of a pullback so we can jump in here.
It's trying to get dangerous. You jump in at the wrong time.
Yeah, right now it's too high. The 4 hour doesn't even have a wick. This is bad. Not bad, but not good to jump in right now.
Want some type of pullback. But this thing, I feel like it just wants to go to that 26,000.
Not even like when the 1 minute isn't even showing a flag. That's scary. I mean, you know what I mean? It's like not even a low time frames. Like maybe like a 30-second candle might have a.
Man. Come on. Let's go. It's me, bitches. Alright. Retreat on the 5.
And that would be the exact pullback right when I went in.
Well, thank you, Duane, for causing the root of the flag. So
You're
everybody
welcome.
Wait.
Luckily, I sized down.
It's gonna keep going. It just likes to tease you a little bit.
It always wants to mess with me. I don't know why.
Today, I'm just trading micros. Just
Okay.
to see. I'm up to 119.
That's
Hey.
good. In the words of Duane, we'll take it.
Yep, we'll take it.
Well,
Profit's
you
profit.
take No,
How
it's
would
just,
I take it?
well, it's forcing me to stay in the trades longer. That's why I'm doing it. kind of like not just be the micro scalp. So
Yeah.
that's my reasoning behind it is to do that. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
He
Listen,
loves it.
well, it's not about the money. It's about
Ah,
how to do it. No, because
Well,
the money will
here's the
come.
deal. Hey, we'll all meet up for drinks, and you guys will be like sitting on the outdoor patio of like TGI Fridays, and Dwayne will be eating a steak, and I'll be brown bagging it with like some night train in the bush, just saying, "All right, brothers."
Listen, once you get it down packed and you find your rhythm, all you are is really numbers away. You know what I mean? And then the money comes. That's it.
Money cometh, right, Dwayne?
yes, sir.
Man, these are the longest 4 minutes of my life. I'm like, can you stop moving up already, please?
I could hear the sweat in his voice.
No, I'm not even in. I just wanted to be traced so I can jump back in and go for a buy.
So it's like you're watching like the car down the highway, like come back and pick me up, sucker. And they're like, no, I'm in the next town now.
Absolutely. This thing better hurry because I gotta go at 10:30.
Moose has to leave. Come on, Marky. Give it to him.
I think I did my trade for the day though, to be honest. I'm at 563. I should leave it.
Oh, yeah. Definitely leave that.
The only downfall with my schedule is that certain days I can only trade short times.
Yeah, but that's also
That's kind of good, though.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, it's like a blessing in disguise because some days, like, you sit there and you're like, why am I even still in? Get in, get out, and just rock it. Respect, Carlos.
Thank you.
I feel weird calling you that, though. You're Moose, man.
I am Moose. Only when I got to Florida, people started calling me Carlos. Back home, everybody calls me Moose.
Yeah, but everyone back there knew you. That's why.
I'm gonna just change my name legally.
That'd be hilarious.
So you get the picture at the courthouse steps, like with the sign.
I have some Spanish people that don't say moose and they call me mouse. Like
Mouse.
I guess I'll take it. Guess I'll take that. Mouse.
Isn't moose in Spanish like aluce?
I don't know how to be honest. I don't know how to say it.
Because there's different dialects of Spanish, but that's what I always knew what moose was aluce. So
let me see.
But
let me Google it because I really don't know what the how do you say moose in Spanish?
¿Cómo se dice?
Yeah, alice. Yeah.
But I like moose better because it's like moose is just like solid, man. That's.
You never heard a moose get hit by a car and die, right?
No, the car dies.
Yeah, only reindeer.
Dwayne had some good nicknames, but I made him to become part of like the legacy family. He says that I'm adopted, so if I could be kicked out because I'm the redhead stepchild. If I say some of his and I actually slipped up when I first started because it's so ingrained that I called him something else. But I talked to him.
Whoa, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. There's the 10. I was not looking at the time. That's my fault.
Ew.
There's the 10 o'clock news right there.
So that spread? Jesus Christ.
Thank God. I was real hyper focused on the market, not looking at the time. Thank God I did not jump in on a trade right there. That account would have been blown.
Do you guys have the spread on your screens?
Yeah.
Because when I on mine, it gives me the clicker and then the spread. My spread spread crazy right now. Like, oh damn, blown accounts.
I just use the candles. That lets you know. Just watching those candles.
No, but it's true. When I said about you know, I made a promise I would never say your two nicknames that I know you better than Dwayne, but because to me, like Dwayne is your father,
Yeah.
but I don't even call him Dwayne because I call him by his title. So
You
this
call
is
him
really
Junior?
complex stuff.
Hey, Dwayne, are you called Junior?
Never.
No,
Never called Junior. Never,
Little
never.
Dwayne? Baby Dwayne? Mini
Huh?
Dwayne? I'm like, little
Well, my
Dwayne,
son's
big
called
Dwayne?
Baby Dwayne with certain people. They call him Baby Dwayne.
No, your
I
son-
call
Listen,
I call him Dwayno. No, I'm just kidding.
Dwayno.
listen, at the rate that his son is growing, you're gonna be Baby Dwayne soon. Your son, his son is as tall as me.
Oh,
Listen, his son is big. He's a big boy.
oh
His
yeah.
hand, it's super heavy. Dwayne, I think little Dwayne is gonna be bigger than Dwayne. Seriously.
100%. 100%. I agree with that.
But then you could give him a nickname like Tiny, and then it works.
Tiny. If I said, Dad, I'm not tiny. Like, that's what he would say if I said that to him now.
Well, kids change, like, you know, because my son is considered a junior, but he like I never call him that, and then he used to be called like when he's young, and it's like he wants to be like the full name, so he's Steven. So,
Yeah.
and I have a hard time, like, I don't call him by that name, but it's weird hearing that name because, like, I'm always gonna be Steve. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
It's just like that's how I roll. El Camino, Monte Carlo.
This is gonna be a
Okay, so
15-minute
maybe we'll
retake
get this
right here.
flag and then we'll head north, or maybe we'll just keep dropping.
I believe this is
What's
gonna
your
be
prediction,
15-minute
Grey One?
retakes and then shoot up.
I feel like we just rolled over. So we're going to come back down to that 21, I feel. Looking at the 21 on the 2-minute, which is below the 620 level.
Yeah, it's like 606, and then on the 1 minute it's 623.
Want us to build some structure here since we did get extended. Maybe on the 5-minute, if we build a bull flag, since the bulls are trying to step in here. Let's see what we get.
The 15 is sitting on top of a zone
Okay.
on a port.
Yeah, well, we just went right back up to that second target we had at the 665. So if we hold that 665 area, then we could potentially keep pushing up here. But want to stay above that 665 to look for longs. Below it, I'm looking for a short back down to that 21 EMA under the 620 level.
2-minute retreats, a little rundown.
Got some slight consolidation right here.
So while we're waiting to take your mind off just jumping right in, how long are you going to ride the bike today?
I'll ride it for an hour.
Oh wow. So are you plateauing? Are you doing like intervals on it? What are you doing?
It honestly varies. Like, I'll stand up while I'm riding to like get some sprints in. Like, it honestly just varies, but I try keeping the heart rate at a consistent level for the prime time fat burning zone. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
We're above that 665.
There you go. There's methodology with that fat burning zone, but then if you hit more, you're gonna, there's a whole, it's interesting. I'll tell you when you're not, so with the movement's not here. We're gonna head north of what? breaking through that whole number.
885. I cleaned this account up because I was in drawdown on it. Let me see where that puts me at on this account. I need to trade this for 2 more days. Yeah, I'm gonna end it there. That's 710.
I'm done. I'm at 612 as well.
I thought you were done 35 minutes ago, sir.
That was 35 minutes and then the clock reset.
The clock reset.
Like the next candle dropped, you know? It's like, I'm done for this candle.
Let me get out of here because I'm going to keep trading and I'm going to give it all back.
And we don't want that, sir. I'm done trading my accounts as well. I think I may have like, let me double check. One more Tradify account.
Oh my God. Jesus
No.
Christ.
I'm going to trade this Grand Cup account now.
Yeah.
What happened to Moose? It sounded like he was getting ate up with a
bear.
Well, you're like, all of a sudden you're like cursing and rebuking the Lord's name and stuff. Are you all right?
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
All right, I forgot to put this the other day, so let me put it up now. Don't mind the crack on my screen in the corner left. I'll make it more clear.
No one's looking at the crack on your screen in the corner left, sir. I'll let you tell you now.
Oh my God! How do you know it's there, yo?
You just said it.
I didn't tell you where it was.
You said that. Yes, you did.
I said the crack on my screen, not the lower left.
I could have sworn you just said the lower left. Did he not say the lower left?
Did I?
He did.
Okay. Like,
Oh.
unless I'm just in your mind right now, Moose. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I thought it was like very obvious. I don't know, for some odd reason, I have the same monitors, right? On both ends, right?
yeah.
And the trim, the plastic trim, on all the corners, on all the monitors are cracked.
That's crazy.
Because he
Well, it's
hit
not a
that.
big crack, it's a little thing.
Because
Little
he's
thing.
right-handed and he hits it after a bad trade. That's
Yeah. Stop abusing your computer, sir.
Oh, I've come close to punching them.
I think we all have.
I won't hit my hardware. I guess that's because I'm an old like non-linear guy. It's like you know, I'll get frustrated, but I know I need my tools clean.
I never hit my computers, but if I take a bad trade, right? Like, and I'm not streaming, like say I take an extra trade or something like that, yo, I close my computer so hard because I'm so aggravated. Yeah, I'm like trading stupid. I'm like a kid. I'm like trading stupid. I'm leaving. I'm leaving my office. Get me out of here.
And then what I like, you sign out of like Ninja Trader and everything, clear your browser, and you walk out and like 20 seconds later, come back in, sign everything back up. Okay, let's get back in there.
Thankfully, I got past that stage of my trading career. What?
Yeah,
Because I feel like everyone goes through that when you're starting.
well, it's like, you know, the market's not doing anything. Let's close out. And then you walk out to the kitchen. You're like, you know what? I better go back and make sure.
What's going on with this music? Why is it not playing?
All right, guys, I gotta get out of here though.
All right, man.
Are you free later on so you can help me with this Trader Rate thing?
Yeah, just hit me.
All right, cool. I'll text you later.
All right, man.
Bye, guys.
Later.
All right, dropping below that 665 level. If we push lower, we got these big wicks right now on the 2 minute. That's what I'm looking at. Look at that candle with no real body on it. The buyers are trying to step in and hold it above the 665 level. But if they lose it, it's going to be a quick downturn to that 21 EMA, which has been creeping up slowly at 632. Seeing a bear flag on that 5 minute. Let's see if we actually get it. This is my Grand Cup account that I'm trading now. I'm done trading all my other accounts for the day.
It was being very difficult for me when I try to sign in. It's like, do you want to sign, or you want to set up a Grand Cup account, or do you want to miss out on $200,000 or whatever? And then just like, and then it's like I clicked, and it's like, it's zero cost, but here's your credit card, and I'm like, man, I don't trust these guys. They'll be like, well, it's renewed.
There's a quick 370. I took 370 right there. Goal for the day on this one is just $1,000 in it. $1,000 a day helps me drop in the rankings faster.
Yeah, let the other people crater.
Yep. It's all about longevity. That's what trading. It's all about lasting longer than everyone else. You know what I'm saying? So
that's like, that's why you ride an hour on the bike, because the people that get on and only ride 15 minutes, you're just like, go away.
I actually gotta see if I gotta see if my girl actually, not today, probably like early next week, we'll go out to Winter Garden and ride the trail out there.
Oh, you actually take your bicycles out?
Yeah.
I have an issue with bicycles because it's like every time I have bicycles, it's like either the kids ride them or they get put aside and then they get like messed up. So
yeah,
it's like a sour point with me. It was like I'm not getting another bicycle unless I can properly like have a spot for it and all that.
I feel that. I actually need to get my bike to the bike shop because I'm super heavy on like how I push. You know what I'm saying? Like yeah. I'm hard on my gear, not gears, but like the sprocket for the chain. I think I gotta get a new one. It's starting to slip at certain times when I'm pushing hard on the pedals.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Because I got a Mac Daddy mountain bike.
I had one that it was a pretty nice bike, nice enough that like they take it to the bike shop and fix it, and then it's like some people who remain anonymous decide to put on the side of the house from under the carport, and then it rusted. So I'm just ready to throw it in the trash and never have another one until it's I can respect it. Because
let me see if I could.
Today I'm gonna be building like a part of the raccoon trap, because there's a new raccoon around here, and it's just like I'm gonna make sure that he gets trapped. So I got an idea. It's like a video game, but better.
Okay. I am trying. What's back screen capture?
Touching that 1 minute EMA 21.
I should probably focus on the charts right now. Yeah, let me look at the charts. I'm gonna see if I know I do somewhere in my photos have a picture of my bike. Found the picture.
They got some great trails. I'm not familiar with yours so much, but they took all those old train tracks out and built, these trails. But
yeah, that's what I like about Winter Garden. They have the big trail that rides through the back of a Popka.
Oh yeah, that one. When you stay in historic downtown, it's right there.
So that's the bike.
Oh, all right.
Super fun to ride, comfortable.
Yep.
All right, still hanging out right below the 665 level. I feel like the bulls are trying to push it back up.
Yeah, because it almost like on a 2 minute, it's like, you know, it's working its way down, but it just like kind of rebounded right from before the EMA.
I want to see the follow through because we crossed through the yellow line, but I need follow through. I need follow through here. Because I'm also hesitant because since we do have that 21 EMA right below us, I don't want to go in for a short and then we touch it and bounce right off.
Oh, yeah. Well, if you look at the 2 minute, it's like the bottom wick on that second candle in almost touched it, and
Yep.
then it just like and then it went up, and then it kind of noodled back down there, but it's finding that resistance.
Yeah. So I'm waiting until we either get below that 21 or above the 665 level, to be real. Yeah, I just thought I had to decide, I want to ride my bike, but do I go to the gym, ride one of the bikes in there, so then after I can sit in the sauna? It's a hard life. Decisions. No, I'll just ride my bike around the neighborhood today.
Do you have like a big subdivision?
Yes and no. So my subdivision has like two different sides. So my side, like, we're tucked away. We have a whole separate entrance than the main portion of the neighborhood.
Okay.
So in our section, I think it's only like maybe like 100 homes or less. Probably less than 100 homes. Maybe like 70 homes, something like that. If that.
Yeah.
Then the other side has like a couple hundred.
Oh, okay. Got the enclave.
But I like our section because, like I said, we have a private entrance, like off a back, pretty much like a back road. So
Yeah.
it's way better. But we can get to the other side of the neighborhood. We could literally ride a golf cart trail to the other side of the neighborhood.
That's cool.
To get to like the basketball court, the pool that they have for the community, all that, the clubhouse.
Do you ever use that stuff?
Just the basketball court. We have a pool, so we're not going swimming in a public pool.
Yeah. That's why, like, you know, they say they have that, but everybody has like their own private pool. Like, why bother?
Well, some people don't have pools. So I'm sure those people, they definitely use a pool. All right, selling off once again right there. We popped up, got rejected, came right back down. Just honestly waiting till we figure out where we want to go here. Lots of selling pressure. So I feel like we want to go lower, but I want to get below that 21.
Yeah, it's kind of locked in that area. Like on the 1 minute, it's like finding resistance, like right at that EMA to head higher, but on the 2 minute, it's not touching it. So it's kind of that whole channel.
Want to get below that yellow line. Watch us not go below because I put it there. I apologize.
Come on, Duane. Can I get a trade in once in a while?
All right, starting to drop below that 21 EMA. Let's see if we bounce off or keep going lower here. We have a minute 20 left on the 2 minute candle. I want a waterfall.
About 10 beneath it. Come on, baby.
Got some profit off that one. I tried closing faster. I couldn't click fast enough. I was trying to get more off of it, but we're below that 21 EMA. If we lose that 620 level, when we lose that 621, that's when we're coming right back down to that 15-minute range. Just don't want that 620 level acting as support to hold us up here.
Yeah, because you can see it. It's like the buoyancy of it is like right on a 30 range. It's like starting to resist. So, got to get out of that orbit.
What I've noticed with the targets that I call out, whenever we cross through them, they start acting as a support and resistance zone.
Yeah.
So whenever we're above them, we come back, I'm expecting it to tap and potentially pop us back up. Because that's what history has shown me so far with these targets.
And as you say it is so.
Well, now let's see if we maybe build out a flag. Which I'm all for. Welcome to the YouTube stream. Hopefully you're winning today and not losing. Look at it just pop right up like that. Right through that 665 level. Straight craziness. But look at the wick on the 5-minute right there. Showing us that the buyers were stepping in.
Are you telling me we're going to get a flag? I can't even be sure.
Well, I should have waited for the flag. I jumped in prematurely.
Aha, the yard guys are here. The yard lads. They're awesome. I was out my cans out early so they can't sneak by. On yard waste day, because you could hear that truck was ripping up the street.
Yeah.
It's like hitting like fourth gear in the trash truck, like overdrive.
Looks like a bunch of consolidate.
Let's wait for the move here. Let's wait for the momentum. Let's see if we build out like a flag structure up here. Want to put in about another $500 in this account.
I'm trying to see where your doodles are at. Let me see. Okay.
There's some momentum.
Gonna maybe kiss that whole number. Pulling back.
Let's wait to see if we get through that 600 or
That's
700.
what I'm saying, because it's kind of noodling.
Yeah. We're coming up to that 700 level. The high for the day is 716. 716 is the high for the day.
Yeah, I got it right there. Oh, well, okay, we're breaching that. $40 on that 2-minute candle.
Let's see if it has a little bit more for us. All right, close out right there. Hit the $1,000 on this account. Let me see where that puts me with the commissions and fees, because we gotta monitor those. Okay, so it puts me right even 1,002.40 cents. So we got that pivot point. We have a pivot point above us. 734 for the pivot point.
What's funny about that is, as you say that, I could just see the tail and the bottom of the P. It's like, it's not even so you can't see the line, but I can see. I made them bright yellow, the pivot point, just so I can so it'll pop. So I see like a yellow PP up there.
I need to put in this account less than $2,000 more so I can start trading 5 contracts on it.
I want to see you get up there, because you have a great methodology.
Hey, I have till the 14th before they knock people out, so I'm like slow and steady.
Yeah, because you start swinging for the fence, and then it's just like, oops.
But that's what most people for this thing are trying to do. They're trying to just swing for the fence.
By the way, that's called baseball. If you look it up, I'm using like a sports metaphor. Just so you know.
So that dropped my ranking down to just above 1,000. So.
And then just by just sparking it, there's gonna be people that just like frag into the wall.
Pretty much.
Boy, this is like what's called a retracement.
Okay, Moose.
The 9-hour candle. Wait, there. What?
Yeah, we're looking at the 34-hour candle right now. It's letting us know it's kind of bullish, but we're looking for a retracement. No, Moose is awesome. It's so funny because Moose, he's been cutting my bald head for a long time now. He has a hard job, difficult job.
I'm telling you, it's like I feel like like most people have that. They just take care of it yourself. But I think you like the camaraderie, and then you like them to line up your eyebrows.
My eyebrows in my beard. Like, I don't trust myself lining up my own beard. Like, so that's why I'm like, I'll pay someone to do it.
Do you realize the tragedy of being white? The tragedy of being white is the fact that if you shave your head and you're like of my vintage, it's like, it's not good. You know what I mean? It's not good. The only people I knew that have like shaved heads are not good. But nowadays it's just like, I guess it's it's just I could never shave my head.
Yeah. Where's it at?
Shaving while white. But another thing on a more practical level is like I won't have to put sunblock on my damn head.
That is a plus. Because
I mean, you're working outside. But I'm doing pretty good. Like there's like I mean, I see some people from high school, and it's just like you don't even recognize them. So, all right, we're going back up.
I'll stay on this account. I was debating, but I'm gonna just keep rocking out. Let's see if we get this bear flag to pay us on this 2 minute. Oh, that's the 1 minute actually. The same with the 2 minute. Want to see the momentum. I need momentum. But we do have that big bottom wick letting us know buyers are trying to step in. So let's keep that in mind.
Damn, just as I try to draw it, it's like moving. Stop it.
Stop it. Stop moving. I have not decided yet when I'm in Mexico if I'm going to be trading or not out there, because the Wi-Fi, when I did try getting on, it was kind of spotty.
What I recommend, sir, is if I could say, in all seriousness, like there's got to be a lot of people in your position that are like need high quality Wi-Fi. So there's probably like a business office or like a main area where they're gonna have that.
Yeah.
That strong stuff. So you go in there and you just trade for like 30 minutes.
Well, I'm gonna see what they got, because my issue was last time I was out there when I tried logging on, because I only took my max, so I had going on the Trade Evade. The Trade Evade wasn't loading. And it was doing the same thing it was doing me when I was in Portugal.
Yeah, well, the thing is like, since you're at such a luxury place, they must have like even a hardwired option that's like.
Oh, listen, they got Wi-Fi. They do have Wi-Fi. Like, you get off the airport, you can pretty much connect to the Wi-Fi for the resort. That's how big the resort runs the area. But
they must have some like a special area where you could go and you could just plug in, even if it's like a landline.
Yeah.
Get that.
I'll reach out to our coordinator for our trip. Our concierge for out there to see.
I'm just happy that you're going, man. Are you gonna? And I'm not even gonna ask about the sombrero, since I seem that that's gone the way of the dodo.
No, you're gonna get the sombrero before I go to Mexico. I promise.
That's a promise I want to see kept.
It will be kept, sir. Looking like a big bear flag on the 1 minute. Let's see what. Same on the 2 minute. We got that selling pressure up top.
Yeah, 1 minute and 2 minute. That buying pressure pushing it right back up there.
Yep.
Seconds on that 1 minute candle and the 2 minute candle. Come on,
let's see if they push it through here.
It's resting on my doodle, so I'm sorry about that.
They're not getting the follow through. I'll probably close this out.
It's like it'll touch and then it'll, like it instantly like just leave the wick and head uptown. Come on.
Not liking this back and forth right here for the consolidation. I thought we were going to get more follow through. That's why I jumped in on it. But if it continues looking like it wants to go out, I'm going to just close out here.
I have a feeling it's got to break, man, because it just like, look at that 2 minute. It's so tight.
Right back up, just like that.
Well, I like that whole number.
Wants to lose this whole number right now.
Well, it wants to lose it, but then it forgets and gives it another hug.
All right, we should be losing it right here. Let's see.
These new bars are awesome.
You like them?
I can see. Oh, it's like seeing color television for the first time. No, you know what I mean. It's like I can actively see what's going on. So it's like. I mean, I still have I still got to work on what's between my ears, but it's like I can see. It's like making me make more informed choices. Okay, you're come on below the 90 and let's roll.
Come on, Betsy. Waterfall for us.
Come on, Betsy. Needs to lose that 90 level and just go.
Yeah, that 90 level's holding us up here.
It's between 90 because it's just getting into that. I gotta move over my 2 minute. 1 minute's getting like too noisy. To me, it needs to get below 90 or get above like 26. I can't see where that pivot point is, but somewhere above that high. No, but Duane, I am trading better with the new Renko bars.
That's awesome.
I'm
glad.
I finally understand what you were talking about because it gives you that data all in one thing.
Yep.
So I'm not I'm not scanning as much. I can look at that like when I'm ready to commit.
I closed out of that one. It started ripping too much. We got that pivot point above us.
So it tested that high, and then it just like it'll get above.
Got a big old wick on the 2 minute.
A huge wick on the 2 minute.
That 700 level holding us up here.
It's right in my my line on the 2 minute. It's like crazy.
Lots of consolidation.
Yeah, but that means it's got to break. Like what Don said, it's time.
I mean, still trending up slowly, but until
Hey, Baton, you got any more volume? Because you're like quiet.
I got a lot of volume. Hold on.
Well, I know you.
My beard.
Oh, my-
How about?
Yeah, that's more like it.
Yeah, I'm not a loud person, man. So I had to turn my mic up.
Oh, that's cool. It was just you were just like in the background, like I could hear it, but it was almost like you were talking from the other room, almost. So
I'm just
that's
backed away from the mic.
Well, take control of the mic and give us what we like, man. Let's call it.
Yeah, we need to make a move.
That could be like a dance track. We need to make a move.
Yeah, we need to make a move on the dance floor and on the market.
That's it. All right, here we go.
So if it pushes down, I'm looking for it to come down to the 600.
It's still just riding in my 2 minute chart. I've got lines and it's just in there. So it's tight.
Or if not, we could possibly go up and hit that 893.
Yeah, we just got to go in one direction or another. Let's go.
We got that pivot point above us as well.
I know. I'm looking at that sucker. I know you're looking at that sucker.
That's what I'm targeting.
But it's got the pivot point. It's also got that high right below it at 730. But it keeps like heading down to that. We got 45 seconds on the 1 minute and the 2 minute. That next candle is going to take it all the way. Seven seconds.
There's that pivot touch.
Yeah. Just gonna use it in spring or what?
Well, I'm gonna wait. I want to get above that pivot to take another long here. Cleaning this up. That wick on the 2 minute showing a lot of selling pressure right there.
Well, that's the tell of the tape right now, man. It's like you can see it's on both sides. When it ventures, it's just getting compressed back in. But it got a taste of that pivot, so will it remember the taste? Full number time.
All right, so got this one back in the profit. Let's see if I can add $1,000 before 11 o'clock because I'm getting off at 11.
Which account is that one?
This is the cup account. I took a bad trade on it, sadly. Well, I'm back in the green, so that's all that matters. Both candles on that 5 minute, massive wicks up top.
Oh yeah, shooting stars, yes.
I want to wait till we get below the 700 to take another short here. Don't want to get chopped up.
Well, look at that consolidation on that, especially on the Rankos.
This waterfall.
Come on.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on, Bessie. It's right at that whole number and then that
Yep.
1 minute 21 EMA.
It wants to lose it. This whole number is acting as a big old magnet right now.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see if they can finally get it right here.
It's almost like, when do you want to see it break? Because you got the 2 minute 21 EMA on the 2 minute at 90.
There we go.
You're going to have to stay until 11:05.
Well, I'm not liking this movement. We have not broken. I'm getting ready to close this out. If we start going up any higher. Right back down to that 700 level. We need to punch through here.
Come on, we could punch through. I'm like with Baton. Let's get it through this. Let's get through the MA and let's waterfall to 600 and let's make some money.
Yes, sir.
When do you think she's gonna break lose to the whole number in the EMA?
Potentially right here.
We're throttling in the 90s and we just springboard up. So we gotta get.
Give us the waterfall. Let's go.
I just want to see it lose the 80s.
I closed out. I got some profit, but man, that was way too much.
Well, if it breaks the 80, then and heading down, we're in good hands. Let's roll. But man, that buying pressure is putting it right up to the EMA again.
Straight craziness. So crazy.
Wow,
I'm done trading for the day. I put money in the accounts I need to put money in.
Yeah, it's definitely like locked into this channel.
Yeah, that whole number. I gotta stay away. I'm gonna get chopped up if I keep trying around this number.
But like, okay, so like every trade I made was green, and well, except one, but I lost $5, and I closed at 15 green, and then it took $5 off. So, and I've been doing the micros, so I got up to 114. So if you scale that up, that's like pretty successful, right?
100%. Even at the 114, do that consistently. You're adding an extra $500 a week.
No, I'm just saying though, like I'm trying it on the micros so I can like have more leg on the trade. So it's like letting me see as opposed to me worrying about it squanching me.
Yeah, no, that's great though. That's called progress.
Well, that's like it's just like, so I mean that's like a lot of me being in the market at the micro level to do that. So that's what feels good. And like the number ain't much, but it's like to ride it up that far, that's good, I think.
No, you're doing good. I'm glad you're finding some consistency this week. You got the new Renko bars.
Well, the new Renko bars are a game changer because like you talk about them. And you have them on the chart, but it's like between like it being compressed and zoom, and me trying to look at the screen with my glasses, to see it like right in front of me like this, and seeing like those little extra like wicks. It's a good thing. So I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for you taking the time to teach us.
No, of course.
And then I'm also grateful that you let me stay on, and you said I'm like the stepchild of the family. So and that's conditional that I don't say your two nicknames. So there's that.
I appreciate you sparing us the nicknames.
Yeah, but I mean, the whole time that we've known each other, I've called you something different. So it's kind of weird. I feel like we're in like a soap opera, and you're like a leading man, like playing some character. You know what I mean?
Awesome.
And then you're the added complexity because your father is Duane, but I would never call him Duane. So there's all these like, it's very complex. You know what I mean?
100%.
Like nobody has like, it's like we're like in a CIA drama. Nobody has like a simple name. It's like we got titles, we got nicknames.
My computer just froze.
Wow, look at this. Now it's like I'm going to reverse or retrace.
My computer completely froze. Let me disconnect and reconnect. There we go. But, gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, 9:20 a.m. For the people on YouTube, appreciate you guys tuning in. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
All right, rock and roll.
All right, guys, have a good day.
Good day. Good day.